Hey everyone and welcome back. The Creator's belief system simply becomes void if we are not sincere in our intentions and actions. Doing any action in life, either connecting to the Creator or dealing with its creations with equity, only for the sake of Creator, is sincerity. There are two simple steps to check if I am sincere to my Creator and also to the creations. First one, to develop the consciousness of the Creator. What does this mean? This means we should intend or do an action as if the Creator is watching us all the times. Or else we should feel that the Creator is right in front of me when doing any action in life. This consciousness will make us stick always to the one universal law framed by our Creator and would also make us do good actions with sincerity in any given situation. The second step is to set clean and clear intentions. What does this mean? Actions are according to the intentions we make, which means we will be judged based on our intentions first, followed by the actions. So what should be my intention for doing any action in my life, whether it's natural, personal, or any professional relationship? Any action I do in my life should only be done for the sake of the Creator alone. If an act is done with such intention, then the output of it would be highly beneficial and satisfying to oneself, in this life and also in the hereafter. In such case, it would not affect you mentally or physically because you did not follow your desires. Rather, you tried following the universal law of sincerity framed by the Creator as much as possible. Hence, the result of those actions, whether success or failure, doesn't affect your stable state of heart or mind. Let's say if it's success, then you would thank the Creator for it and ultimately get more closer to the Creator. What if it's a failure? Then at least you won't regret upon yourself or any other creation. Rather, you would feel that it's not destined to you by your Creator. Because you tried to follow the universal law as much as you can, but still you did not made it. Finally, you ask the Creator by having hope for something more deserving to be destined in your life. This stable mindset and wholeheartedness would make us busy and concentrate on doing good actions, rather than worrying about the result of the actions, which is anyways not in our hands. Remember, the results we experience in this life are just another test from the Creator, but not the actual results of our life. So how to check if I am on track? The concept of 3-point check is the best solution for it. Meaning, just check your intention before performing an act, while performing an act, finally after completion of the act. Now let's imagine any situation or action we did in life. If we feel that at all the 3 points my intentions are sincere, good and same, then we did it perfectly right. If our hearts feel that there was any deviation in any of them, then it's good to repent and ask for guidance from the Creator and finally reassess and align my intentions into a good and sincere one. Let's take a small example for better understanding. Person A expressed a clean and clear intention to deal with person B. While the deal was almost about to happen, person A got an offer from person C, better deal than the person B. So person A changed his intentions, resulting in breaking the ties with person B and making the deal final with person C. Now let's analyze. We all understand that what person A did was incorrect because he broke his promise by changing intentions. This would not have happened if person A followed the universal law of sincerity framed by the Creator along with the 3-point check procedure which I mentioned before. Rather, he ended up following his own desires or worldly pleasures, ignoring and not caring that there will be a day after life where he has to answer for the bad he has done to the creations. It is our most important need of our lives, either alone or as a society or as a nation or as humanity. We should all sincerely do actions only for the sake of our one Creator. To sum up everything, developing consciousness of the Creator and setting clean and clear intentions for any action we do in life are the two simple steps that are required to develop sincerity of the Creator in us. To stay consistently sincere in all our intentions and actions develops a quality of steadfastness in us. Having both sincerity and steadfastness for anything we do in life is the ultimate way of living a life. Sincerity and steadfastness gets a great shape if an environment is built for reviving and strengthening the Creator's belief system in us. How to build such an environment and what are the benefits of doing it will be part of our next update. Until then, let's connect with the Creator as well as deal all the creations with equity only for the sake of our one Creator. Thanks for your time.